Hello GHL agency user. Introducing contact tags for workflows from the Level Up marketplace. Organize your contacts effortlessly with contact tags for workflows. Automatically categorize leads, segment customers, and trigger actions based on tags, all within your workflow. With seamless automation and smart filtering, managing your audience has never been easier. Optimize your contact management with contact tags for workflows today. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up marketplace.